All right, we are doing pretty good today. It's been a pretty good day so far. Just feeling the music right now. We are getting ready to start a new hour on the EURUSD chart. And already we can see, let's see. 4 hour. There is our, bring this forward just a little bit. Come on. We want to start this on the, come on, what is going on here? All right. Let's go back to the 1 hour. We are awesome. Yeah, right there. Start the new hour and a new day. See, I'm not drinking enough water. My skin doesn't bounce back like it's supposed to. My body's dehydrated. Need to start drinking more water, but I'm also running low on sleep. Probably should have messed with the. Anyway, whatever. Let's go down to the 1 minute where we normally play, and we are looking at midnight, I believe. Central, so 1 o'clock New York, East Coast time, and we are doing fantastic. I can't believe how good we're doing. You can see, I want to show you yesterday for everybody who was watching yesterday. Where is it? Here it is. No, that's this morning. This was this last night? Must have been all morning. I don't even remember. Don't even remember. Must have been. Here? Was that last night? Man, I don't even remember. This was the 30th. So that must have been it. Because all this was today. Let's go back to today. So here is this morning. We did really good this morning. I wish I would have been streaming. Wait, did I stream this morning? But anyway, these are all the trades we made today. This morning. It went really, really good for us. I think we were mostly buying. And then we turned seller. And then we bought here. And that is where we're at right now. We have this position open, and there's another position we have up here open. So we got two positions that we're sitting on, and you can see down here, the very bottom of the screen right there, that one of our trades is up $79 and another one is up 14. So you can tell obviously the bottom one right here, the buy at 8937 is the $79 one, which is perfect. And then the 9066 is the now $12, 13, 14. But you could see it took a while. We were in drawdown this much. So we were in drawdown for quite a while when we placed the order. And then price came back into our favor and it surpassed, and it is almost headed towards our take profit. You can see our take profit up here at about the 9170 zone, and we may hit it today because it looks like it's going for it. We might get another test right here at support. Let's make sure these numbers are right. Support at around 8851. Right, so 8851. So support is down here. 8851 area. So that's our bottom right there. And so when I initially placed this order, up here, the green line, you can see I thought that that was the bottom, but it continued to drop. And then right here, since it was matching this low right there, matching the low, I thought that would be, actually we can just go to a higher time frame. So placed the buy right here, and then I placed the buy right here thinking that this was the low, but you can see it was kind of the low. Went a little bit lower. We were in a little bit of drawdown, which was, it's all right. It's okay to be in drawdown. It's not okay to let your losers run away with you. So I was ready to close, and you can see that this top one almost came to our 36 pip stop loss. It's roughly 36. We go 35, but we call it 36. And that would have been $175 loss. Would have really hurt. And I can't remember. I think this was when I had to go pick up my daughter from school. So I was comfortable with the way it was going, and I didn't think it was. I was pretty sure we found the bottom at this point. So I was comfortable placing this order with the 36 pip stop loss and just letting it ride. And as you can see, fortune favors the bold. Price came down, almost hit the first stop loss, and then came back up. And now we are up $81. Perfect. And you can see we started this account with $1,000, and our current balance is $240, but our equity is $1,300 and counting. So I could close this right now and we can walk away winners. But like I said, I have a target, and I'm going to wait for it to at least get close enough to it to make us a little more money. So, I mean, that's our first take profit. We have another take profit that's just a little bit higher. Let's see where the support is, or the resistance is. Let's go back to the trading view, and resistance is going to be around this area. This is the first resistance zone. It may go higher. I first had it at about here, but then I'm kind of, we're seeing some resistance here, little point of contention where it's just starting to stall a little bit. So that's where I moved my resistance, my first resistance zone. So depending on where this goes, we'll adjust and we'll see. And that is exactly how you're supposed to play it. You're not supposed to overshoot. I mean, you can, but I like to play. I like to play in an area as far as I can see. And if I can't see this far, if we're only dealing with this, this is where I want to, this is my playground right here. Not this. This is wilderness. This is uncharted territory. So I'm not going to project or even like speculate. I'm just going to work with what we're seeing. So this is 90, 91. Let's fix this one. 90, 90, 91 would put us around right about there. So yeah, we're doing pretty good. $200 in 2 days is not bad. That's $100 a day. And the trades have been going good. So it is now 12 o'clock. So it is the new hour, and we're already looking bullish. So from this point down here, where our support is, it's up now to first point of resistance. And we just have to wait and see what happens. And this was all the move from yesterday, this morning. It's good stuff. I can't remember, did I stream? This morning? I can't, seriously, for the life of me, I can't remember. I feel like I did because, man, I was doing really good. Look at all this. Just nailing all this. And we can go to our history and just look at everything we've done so far. These are all the trades we've made in the last 2 days, the 29th to the 30th. These are the sizes we've been working with, from 0.05 all the way up to one standard lot. And the standard lots is what's been making us a lot of money. $30, $30, because it's $10 per pip, and we're aiming for 3 pips. And we're getting it. On our only loss, which was kind of substantial, $90 right there. And that was just a bad trade. That was just a panic, kind of a panic close. I let it run too long, and I decided to just cut it. And it only took 3. Let's see. Yeah, it only took 3 trades to get that back. So $90, 30 here, 30 here, 30 here, and we were already even. Pretty exciting stuff, if you ask me. So now we're $79 in. We're waiting to see what the new hour brings us. So let's go down to the 1 minute. And we are at resistance here. What is it gonna do? This might be a bit of a pullback from this move up. Oh, we have to adjust the lines. So let's see, this was 90, 90, 90. That's not right. 99. Oh yeah, 90, 90. That's about right. So 90, 90. Right about there. Okay, and then this one lower the support zone. 88.50. 88.50, so about right there. And the funny thing is about zones, these lines, it's a straight line, but it's more of a placeholder, or like a rough estimate of where these zones are. Like it's not exactly, it's not precise. It's more, that's why we call them zones, because it's more of a zone. It's more from like from 9140 to about 9065. That's the area that we're trying to beat. It's a space. It's not just a straight line. The straight line kind of just helps you visualize. But that doesn't mean that that's the exact point. And it seems pretty self-evident now, but when I first started trading, I thought it was like literal. Like they would draw these lines and be like, this is our resistance line. And it's going to come up to this line. And I'd be like, man, that's pretty wild that it comes exactly up to that line. But it just looks like that. You could draw a resistance and a support line anywhere, and it would look accurate. So support and resistance is probably one of the first things that you should nail down in order to become successful. This is one of the things that you should practice a lot and really get to understand how support and resistance work. Because it's really, really interesting. And then you can start to see it and then make decent trades. So I am almost tempted to just close this trade close both of these trades at just $71 profit and call it a day, because I'm not gonna lie, I am exhausted. I usually take a nap midday. Not today. Today I was up 7:30. I got ready for the session for the New York Open. And you can see we had a busy one. Very, very busy, very exciting New York session today. A lot of good trades went down. Where are they? Here we go. Man, this was exciting. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. And they were all just closing immediately. Like, didn't spend much time. Almost 2 minutes. 2 to 5. Like, this is the longest one we had right here. Was a buy and then drawdown. A lot of drawdown and then close. It's a very, very good morning. So we're still looking over here to see what the market is doing this hour. And it is looking like we might get a little bit of a retracement and then a kick up. So let's see. London opens in 2 more hours. So we got 12 to 1, 1, 2. So we might see a little bit more pullback into the London session, and we're hoping. I'm guessing London is going to take us up here before New York opens. Like, London will take us up here, and then we'll spend some time around above here. And then New York opens, and that might pull us back down to support again. So the thing is, I'm waiting to see how high support is going to go, or resistance is going to go. Is it going to take us all the way back to where we were yesterday? We might even come back up to here. So resistance could end up being up here somewhere. My guess would be the top of this peak right here, since we came back, and this is where we got rejected. Hold on, I got something in my eye. I have long eyelashes, and sometimes they fall out and they hit my glasses and then they bounce back into my eye. And that happens a lot. It's annoying. I feel like Katy Perry when she glitched out. That meme that goes around the internet of Katy Perry malfunctioning. People are saying, "Oh, it's MK Ultra. She's a robot. She's some kind of fembot." She got an eyelash in her eye, and she's trying not to like rub it out. The best thing you can do is like just to let your eye water and kind of rinse it out. Oh man, but I'm kind of dehydrated right now, so there's not a lot of water, not a lot of moisture. So, I mean, I could probably start selling. But we'll see. It's only been what? This is the 1 hour, so we can move this over to right 8 o'clock. Let's go to the 15-minute and see where we're at on this. What time is it? Okay, so we are 15 minutes into the hour. And I'm going to sell. I'm going to go ahead and sell right here. Oh man. It's terrible. The swap is insane right now. So you see that this is something you really, really have to watch out for. Right now is not a great. This is why I only trade the opens, because I wanted to place my order up here, but you can see that it opened it down here. So instead of opening it at 90.84, we're opened at 90.66. So that's a huge gap. That's not swap. What is it? My mind's drawing a blank right now. What is the word? Oh, there's a term for it. Swing. Spread. I knew it was an S word. That's the spread. And that is ridiculous. I can't believe I didn't even look. So now instead of having price up here, I got to go however many this is. Let's see. That's about 70, 80. So that's like 2 more pips than no, that's more than 2. Yeah, that's 2. It's about 2.5 pips away from my entry point. So my trade hasn't even started yet. Wait a second. What is going on here? I think the this might be. Let me restart this, because something is weird with that. Because I'm in the money, but how am I in the money if my entry price is right here? It's it's very weird. Oh, wait. Oh man, it's late. I haven't slept all day. I should probably go to sleep. Okay, so it did go right. This is my previous buy. Now I just messed up the stop loss. All right, I should probably just close everything and go to bed. But you know what? I'm not gonna. Why? Because I gotta trade. I have to. It's calling to me. So we have a sell right here. So yeah, we are in the money. I didn't see the line, and I was getting confused with my previous buy order. that is also in the money. So that was very confusing for me. This is like what happened when I was playing Minecraft earlier and I was tired and I just kept pushing myself. And I was like, I'll just keep digging a little bit more. No, I wasn't digging. I was moving lava from one part of the lava pool to another part of the lava pool, and I just kept moving the lava. Get a little bit more lava, and I'd move it, and I'd get a little bit more lava, and I'd move it. And I was tired. I was also very tired, and I kept saying too, I need to go to sleep. I'm beat. I'm tired, and I made a mistake. I had the bucket full of lava and I turned around and instead of putting the lava in the hole, I put the lava on the block in front of me and it burned me and I picked it up and it was already too late. I was on fire and I hadn't eaten anything. So my energy was only at half its capacity and then I died. So I just really wanted to give everybody an update to show them that we started off at 1,000. All the trades that we were in yesterday are now closed. We closed in profit. We're doing pretty good. We're doing really good, actually. I'm really impressed, and I'm happy with the progress that I'm making. This is really good. Oh, let's check out the history. Let's see what our report looks like. That'll give us a good view of. There's that first drawdown that we were in, and then we closed in profit. Bam, made money. And it's just look at that nice steady climb up, dude. Levels. It's almost like the market itself, because the market moves in levels. So it starts up, and then it moves to the next level, and it goes sideways, and then it moves to the next level, and it goes sideways, and then it goes down, and then it works its way back up. Next level, up to the next level, to the next level, to the next level. So it moves like that. That's um, natural progression, is just incremental moves upward and forward. And that is what we have going on. Why didn't you open over there? That's what we have over here. Natural progressions to the next level. And we can see that we have $241 profit total so far, but we still have that $70 tied up. If we closed it now, this would be like $300. And so that would be like $100 a day in the last 3 days, counting December 1st, which would be today. So today is the last day to trade, and then the weekend comes, and that's when like I go crazy because there's no trading. There's no trading Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday morning. The market opens again Sunday night, but it doesn't really pick up until London opens Monday morning, 2 a.m. We can see our profit and loss. Let's take a look at that. There's our $91 or a $90 loss, but then we made it up with the other trades that we made. I mean, it's crazy stuff. It's it's exciting. I don't know how people, well, I mean, I understand it's risky. These are all the shorts. We sell more than we buy. I'm just really good. I really like selling. I find it easier to sell and to see the sells than it is to buy. Like for some reason, my mind is oblivious to the buys. It's harder for me to see it. So we're about even on those. This just shows our symbol, and I really stick with the Euro USD. That's my bread and butter. That's what I understand. We've made 25 trades in this currency. What is our risk? Oh, yeah, that's scary. Our max consecutive profit was 130. Max consecutive loss is 90. That is only one loss that we've had. And we still would have been above $1,000 even with that loss. Okay, let's go back to, where is it? Oh, here it is. Now I gotta cascade these windows. So let's see where we're at now. Right there. Okay, so there's the 5 minute or 15 minute. And here is, and this is, I don't like using a lot of indicators because it really mixes up the screen and it gets like, it becomes too much. So we have this purple line that's just our break even. I'm going to get rid of that. We'll go to indicator list, and that's our break even line. We'll just go ahead and remove that. There we go. We can keep it over here because this is just our reference chart. This chart is our trading chart. Let's see how our trade is doing. So we're in the money, 350. And oh, so talking about size, one standard lot, I think that was too crazy for me. I feel really comfortable at 0.5. This is where I feel like I'm not panicking or freaking out all that much. So we'll probably play in the 0.5 for a while. If I manage to get my account up to $5,000, then we'll probably start playing with one standard lot size. It's just a big one right here. So, other than that, we're doing good. I'm probably going to call it early tonight. We're not going to do very much trading. I'm going to close this short because I don't think it's going to be short for long. And like I said, we're really looking to come up to this point right here, and that'll be $50, and life will be great. So I will probably see you in the morning when we get back to some mining and crafting. What did I do? Where did we stop this morning? I can't even remember if I made it out of the mine before we turned it off. But so there won't be a trading stream tomorrow night because I will be sleeping or working. We'll see. I don't know. But there will be a Minecraft stream tomorrow morning. You can look forward to that. And oh yeah, now I remember what I have to do tomorrow. Just never stops. It's a non-stop hustle. But with that, viewer in the back, I see you, and thank you so much for being here. Sorry it's such a short stream and not a lot of action happened, but really just wanted to update everybody on how we're doing, and we are doing fantastic. We're averaging about $100 a day, and that is it's like a sweet spot. That's like $500 a week. Can't wait to start trading real money, but it also fills me with anxiety just thinking about it. It's good anxiety. It's excited anxiety. It's not the kind of anxiety that makes me want to throw up or um, doom scroll. It's good. It's something to look forward to. Let's put it that way. And of course, always remember, neurons that fire together, wire together. We'll see you next time. Here, close this one and then leave the two buys open. That's $2. $2 is all right. Not bad.